We are. We're kind of just hanging out right now. We're gonna sell some tubig over here. Are you looking for a jug?
Tayo, pa ka naman ng ball? Kasi ito ba kay nagwa naman ito.
Oh, there's someone over there in the. What are you selling, babe? Tuba? Tuba. Oh, you gotta fill the whole gallon or what? She's over here filling out a gallon of tuba. 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 Wow. They're selling these too? It's like a fish pond in there. Tuba right here for sale. 1 liter. I don't know, 1 gallon. Pila the gallon? 100 the gallon. Nah, that's a lot. Uno que trae ese güey. Mikey. Coconut wine. Damn. It's better she just buy a funnel, no? It takes forever. Almost, almost. Still not done. She's almost done right there.
Gagmay naman itong bitsin, tag 5. Pila?
Too high.
100.
I'm gonna get my 20 pesos, eh? I'm gonna put them right here. What's up? And got 20 pesos right here for some tube. Yeah, they got these for sale too. There's people passing by.